Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all doing good and safe. Festival season has started in India. We usually buy new things for our house during this season. Today is a simple vlog on how we celebrated Ayudha Puja and I would share our test drive experience on Mahindra XUV 700. It's time for puja. We shall see a lot of positive vibration at home. On this festival day, we decided to see the new car Mahindra XUV 700. We do have a hatchback car Baleno at home, which is of course our first car. Its age is 5 years and my husband feel it's time to buy a new automatic car because he gets leg pain with manual car in high traffic in Coimbatore. We are here at Mahindra showroom. We came once during the launching day which is on October 1st, but it was little bit crowded so we couldn't spend much time that day. They called us and requested to come again. We again visited today and we tried all the features along with the test drive. This stunning XUV 700 has 5 different colors, but I love this midnight black a lot. Actually in photos it looks like black, but it's a dark blue in color. In night it gives a black feel. This car announces its arrival in style with striking headlamps and LED DRLs. This comes with a pair of keys. Interior has a very nice look. The steering wheel gives an amazing amount of confidence. It's light and easy, so nipping in and out of the traffic gap is very simple. I liked this driver seat adjustment function. With a one single button, you can adjust your driver seat height as well as you can move forward and backward. It has two 10.5-inch glass screen. We need to toggle through the menus by a button on the steering and press to access. It has cup holders, charging unit, phone holder and a big storage space. The main feature which I liked is it comes with a wireless charging unit. The gearbox comes with 6 speed for both manual as well as automatic. The interior has a leather finish, so it gives a premium look to the XUV. Mahindra is the first made in India car with ADAS feature. Adaptive cruise control works really well. We can set the desired speed and the distance to the car in front of us, and the Mahindra takes care of the rest. Coming to the boot, since it has 3 rows, boot volume is marginal, but we have an option to flip and fold the seats down to have more room. Let's begin the test drive on the road. There is a 360-degree camera that can be accessed on the go and has multiple view settings to see every possible angle around the car. The feature which I liked the most is the panoramic sunroof. We can open the sunroof either through the button or through the Alexa.
Alexa, open sunroof.
When we started the car, it gave us a warning sound that both driver and the passenger has to wear the seat belt. Since this car is built in Tamil Nadu, you will get the feel of Ilayaraja's music in each sound. It has a fantastic sense of airiness because of massive window plus sunroof. XUV 700 is larger than XUV 500 in every aspect. On the inside, it has a premium cabins with larger comfortable seats. Coming to the second row, it was very comfortable. Tall people can sit easily. You can even recline the back seat. And 3 people can sit easily here. Both second and third row has air conditioned vents, USB port and a cup holder. The second row gets an additional armrest support. And I would say third row is best for only small kids. In Coimbatore, for test drives, we will be taken to the Codicia ground since it's near to the showroom. We also tried off-road experience. Since it has a frequency selective dampers, the ride was very much comfortable. If you ask us, can you tell one feature which you liked the most? We would say that it's about the turning feature. It was an excellent experience. We don't have to take reverse or go till the left of the road to turn it. Even for a small road, even being such a big car, it turned it very smoothly. Coming to the safety features, Mahindra said safety is a core pillar of XUV 700. It has tons of safety features in it, like driver drowsiness system, emergency braking system, and auto collision warning, etc. It has airbags for front, side, as well as for the knee. But all these additional features comes only for the top variant. We tried both petrol as well as diesel, automatic and manual variants. It has many options with MX and AX. MX is a base variant, so I would not prefer that. Coming to the AX, it has AX3, AX5, AX7 and AX7L. We got the latest pricing information for both petrol and diesel variant. We have to discuss and decide which one will suit within our budget. We love this car for its performance and cool features. Being a small family, we would prefer to buy a 5-seater XUV 700. Unfortunately, the good features are missing in 5-seater variant, which is available only in the top variant. That is a little bit disappointment for us. Hope Mahindra will bring all these features in the future. Thanks for watching the video. See you in another video. Bye bye.